Before you buy a stock, wouldn't you want to see what everyone else in it is doing? That's exactly what this app shows you. This is PremiChart. 5 minutes and you'll know your way around all of it.
Everything starts on the watch list, the stocks you're keeping an eye on. Every row answers 3 questions at a glance. What's the price? What did it do today? And what does it pay you? Red means down, green means up. Simple. You can group related symbols too. Here's a crypto group. Track together. Adding a stock takes 2 taps. Plus, type the name, tap the match. That's it. The app is now watching it for you. And when you want the full story on any stock, just tack its row.
This is NVIDIA's chart. And the first thing to learn is the time frame row. 1 month shows you the battle this week. 6 months shows the trend. A year shows the story. And 5 years shows the journey. Same stock, very different picture depending on how far back you stand. Now the indicator row, and let's start gently. 50 and 200, the 2 moving averages every professional watches. When price is above them, the trend is healthy. When it slices below, pay attention.
Now watch the candles themselves. This is heat. The chart recolors every bar by what the buying and selling pressure looked like. Green for accumulation, orange for caution, red for a confirmed sell level. You're reading the bars, not squinting at a separate panel. And OBOS marks the extremes for you. A green B where the selling exhausted itself, a red S where the buying got ahead of the price.
And this is the one people download the app for, Herd. Herd measures what the crowd is actually doing, chasing highs, panic selling lows, piling in on volume, and scores it from deep fear to full greed. The purple band is the range the app draws from here, based on how this stock behaved when the crowd acted this way before. Treat it as a gauge, not a crystal ball, because at the extremes, the crowd is usually wrong, and that's exactly when you want to know what it's doing.
If charts aren't your thing, the Analysis tab says the same things in plain numbers. The estimated future price gives you a figure and a range for the months ahead. Read it the same way, an estimate, not a promise. And below it, the news, filtered to this stock and summarized. So when something moves and you don't know why, this is where you look first. Last tab, the portfolio. This is what turns PremiChart from a watch list into your account. At the top, the honest numbers, what it's all worth, what you paid, and today's profit or loss, in red or green, no sugarcoating. The wheel shows where your money actually is. And look, half this portfolio is sitting in one stock. That's the kind of thing you want the app to point out. It even tracks the cash your dividends are earning, $45 so far. Next payment coming from NVIDIA in September. Add a position with the plus, and from that moment, it's all tracked for you.
So that's PremiChart. Watch it, chart it, read the crowd, and track what you own. Here's how to start. Add one stock you actually care about, open its chart, and turn on Herd. See what the crowd is doing before you decide what you'll do. PremiChart is free on the App Store. The link is right below.